Welcome to today, January 1st, 2026, National Weather Forecast. This morning, here near Washington, D.C., where I live, we had a snow squall move through. And as you can see here, it came through hot and heavy with wind and heavy snow, but it was pretty short. We had snow for about 10-15 minutes, and we got about a coating. There was much more up in the mountains, like areas like Snowshoe, Deep Creek, the ski areas, definitely had much more accumulating snow. And then as we look out west, we can see a lot of moisture coming into California from LA all the way up to San Francisco. We can see rain and mountain snow pushing in from the Pacific Ocean. And up here in Minnesota, we can see some light snow moving through. So let's take a look at the European model, which is one of my favorites. It's the best weather model. And we can see there is snow in the interior northeast, which is gonna slowly start moving out. It's mostly in the mountains, but as I showed you, we did have a snow squall right here near the city of Washington, D.C. So here, let me play the European model, and it shows the snow slowly moving out of the northeast. And then we can see a storm system down near North Carolina, which on one of the runs was trending a little bit further north towards the Richmond, Virginia area. Showed a little light snow, but it's moved back south, so I don't think it's going to be a snow problem. As we move out further, we can see a mostly rain storm pushing into the northeast, and then behind it we can see some snow towards Chicago, towards the Great Lakes, but looks like mostly rain for the northeast. So, not expecting any major snowfall in the foreseeable future in the I-95 Northeast cities, major cities. And now let's switch over to the GFS, which is the American model. It's also a great model. And here we can also see the interior snow moving out. It does have the storm system down towards Richmond and North Carolina. It does show it further north. The tiny bit of snow showing up down there. Something to watch. Doesn't look like it could even become a big deal, but just something to keep an eye on if you're looking at the GFS instead of the European. As you can see right here again, shows a tiny bit of snow in way southern Virginia. Alright guys, and let's look at the watches and warnings. Right here in the interior mid-Atlantic and Northeast, we have winter storm warnings, lake effects, snow warnings. For the mountains, the typical upslope and lake effect areas. In California, we have mountain snow, freezing rain. So winter storm watches posted up there. And looking down here towards Florida, we have frost and freeze advisories and warnings all the way down towards, if you go interior from West Palm Beach, A little bit towards the west, we have frost advisories even all the way down there. And we're looking at temperatures. Right now, we're sitting at 44 degrees. And freeze warnings further north, which are more serious, up towards Jacksonville, interior sections of Florida, northern Florida, sitting at 39 in Jacksonville, and some snow winter weather advisories in the Colorado mountains, and looks like some heavy rain in Southern California. We're looking at 2 to 2.5 inches of moisture up towards Big Bear Lake in Southern California, which is going to come in the form of rain. And even in the Los Angeles area, we do have a flood watch. You could see some healthy rain down there. And of course, the mountain snow. As we can see here, snow levels around 6,500 feet. We have a winter storm watch for Lake Tahoe Friday night through Saturday night. And those are the major weather events happening now. And I will keep you posted. Please comment, subscribe, like if you would like to see daily weather updates about major winter weather or severe weather events. Thank you for watching.